Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to bisect a line. So this video is going to be very short, so please subscribe to my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like and share if possible to your classmates so that they can benefit from this video. So now let's say we have to bisect a 50 millimeter line. Let's say we have to bisect a 50 millimeter line. So first of all, I take my T square, I try to pin it to my board, then I try to get 50 millimeter out of the T square. That is maybe from this point 30 here. I put my point and I drag it to 35. Then I also put my point there. So now I have a 50 millimeter line. I put my point A and my point B. So that is my point A and my point B. So now from here, I have to bisect it. I want to bisect it. I take my compass and I spread it to more than half of the line. That is, if I take it here, it has to be more than half of the line. Even if it goes over the line, it does not matter. But just make sure that it's moderate. But it must be more than half of the line. So when I take my protractor, I take more than half of the line. Then I go up. I mark it somewhere up here. Then I come down and I mark it down. Without changing it, I do the same thing at B. I do the same thing at B. I mark here and I mark it here. So right here we have the bisection of a line. So I take my ruler and I pick it from where the places at which I bisect it. That is the points up here and the points down here. So I just take it straight down. So naturally I've automatically bisected the line.